In this video, you're going to learn how to create a drop-down for easy recording of learning skills using Google Sheets. So I have a Google Sheet. I have the names of the students listed on this side, but for privacy reasons, I'm not showing you. I'm going to go to column 8. I'm going to select it. I'm going to go Insert and Drop Down. And for the drop down, for option 1, it's going to say excellent. Option 2 is going to say good. It's going to say satisfactory. It's going to say not done or minimal. Then I'm going to change the colors. I'm going to go excellent with a green, good. Yellow will signify there might be an issue if I see a pattern, and red if it's not done. And then I'm going to go done. I'm going to give it a date. So this will be October 16th. Actually, we'll just, October. And then I'm going to go edit, copy. Paste, and then change it to and that's all you do.